Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm gonna be doing a hair review on this beautiful ass hair. Now this hair is from Queen Lake on AliExpress. This is by far the best hair I ever bought. Like honestly, I buy hair, I buy wigs, weaves, everything. This is the best that I ever got. Like literally, it's so soft and nice and does not shed at all. Like I've never had shedding with this hair. I don't know about none of you people, but honey, this hair, it never shed. No, it's so beautiful. So when you go on AliExpress, you go to Queen Lake. This is how the hair looks like. So that's how the hair looks like. The hair is absolutely stunning. Like it has amazing quality. It's beautiful. It blends perfectly. It blends so beautiful, like honestly. And when you read the hair, it says the hair is 100% human hair. It says if you're not satisfied in 30 days, they have a refund policy for 30 days, so you're able to return that. The hair lasts you 1 year, 12 months, girl. And the hair can be dyed, bleached, can be restyled, and hold curls. They have fast delivery. Honestly, they do have fast delivery. It was like less than a week that I've gotten this hair. It's just like, honey. This hair, I got it in bundles and I made it into a wig. This is my first wig that I ever did myself. And I love it. I love this hair. I've never been so happy. Like, I've always been tempted to do hairs. Like, I always watch Miss Ross Posh. I'm like, she's killing it. Miss Ross Posh is killing it. Peak Mill is killing it. Like honestly, growing up, I always watched Peak Mill do hairstyles, do her makeup, and I'm like, girl, I need to be on that level. And then after I just watched Miss Ross Posh, and she just kept doing it, I'm like, damn, I want to curl hair. I wanna color it. I want to design it. I want to look as flawless as she is. Like, every day, yo. I love her and Chris. So every time I see her in a new wig, I'm like, damn, Chris got a new girl. In the same body, though. Like, I want to be like that. I want to play around, get a new color. You know? I want to get a man and be like, honey, who are you leaving me for? Because if you want bob, I got bob. If you want curl, I got curls. If you want straight, I got straight. If you want bald, bitch, I'm gonna shave my head bald. And then if you want a new girl, pop on a wig. Pop a wig. Like, no, like, I just know she's amazing. And then watching Abby Nicole, she's my favorite YouTuber. Like, Abby Nicole, I love how she's able to take synthetic wigs and make them look real and like design it. Like, she even made me, like, she's the reason why I started buying wigs and weaves. Like, I bought like 3 wigs from AliExpress. One of it was really good. Another one was good. Then it started tangling and a whole mess. The third one was just like, yeah, like a mannequin. Oof. But this hair, when I looked at Miss Ross Posh, I'm like, you know what? Let me make my own wig. So I went to Queen's Lake. The thing about me, I like to go through all the like hairs reviews and all that stuff, and I like to see the most likes and reviews, and like I like to look at all the comments and how the hair looks and all that stuff. Cause I'm not buying any wig and any hair that you can see over here is fake and doesn't look nice. Like, look at this, baby, look at this. Oh, honey, oh, girl, I love this hair. Like, oh my god. Yeah, so I started looking at all that stuff. I'm like, okay, I want to make a wig. I'm like, Miss Ross Posh is inspiring me to make a wig. So I'm like, let me make a wig. Thanks to Miss Ross, you know. Let me make a wig. I brought the hair. Well, I bought the hair, and then the hair came to me. I brought it. I put it on a mannequin. Started sewing, and then look at the results. Look at the results. Honey, and then listen to the way I comb this hair. Like, look at this. It just goes so nicely. Like, Girl, what struggle? What struggle? Something we like. No, honey. Who's struggling? It's 2019. No more struggle. No more struggle. Human. Girl. Ooh. Amazing. Yeah. So if I was you, I'ma go on AliExpress. I'ma go to Queen's Light. And I'ma pop me some Queen's hair. You will love it. You will come back to my channel and be like, God bless you. God bless you, child. And I'm like, I know. Oh my God. Yeah. So I'll leave the link to the hair store down in my description box. If you like this, if you want more hair reviews, I still got 3 more hairs or 5 more hairs to review. And I'm still making another wig. Another one, but it's curly. Like, look at this. Look at me. Bitch, I'm glowing. Yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow, share, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, we'll see you on the next thing. And if you want to take good care of the hair, make sure you have some Olive Sheen spray. This is life. Like, honestly, I just take it and moisturize this hair. Keep it. This is your baby. You want to protect it at all costs. Give you that nice little Brazilian freaking, I don't know, that hair, that horse shine that you never had. What the fuck? Yeah, but it gives that beautiful shine. Just look at this. Oh, let me put this can down. It's distracting me. Look at this. You see the hair, right? Come on, stay on focus. Stay on focus. Look at this. Do you see that? Look at this. Look at me. Look at me. Bitch, look at me. Girl, look at me. Yes, bitch. Yes. Bye-bye. I hope you like it.